business is never static. It's always changing. Business is dynamic. You know, when you think about business valuation, the way it was in the past was it was pretty static. It was usually a one-time, it was usually very challenging, very painful, very expensive. And once you had the results, it was just basically a one-time, here it is. It's kind of like thinking about standing on a scale one time. You step on, it says, oh, here's what your weight is. And you say, oh, okay, that's what it is. And then the rest of your life, you're dealing with that one static opportunity. But life's not static, life is dynamic. Business is not static, business is dynamic. And so when you think about business valuation, when you think about the opportunity to not only know where you are through a discovery process and discovering what your business value is and it can be, but thinking about every single quarter to be able to take the feedback from that previous quarter and plug it in. So as you have clarity and intentionality, now you can add calibrated focus. You can also add a positive ongoing feedback loop. So now your business valuation is part of your business development mechanism. It's really part of your strategic business planning, because now you're looking at business value really as one of your core key performance indicators. Again, it's not static. Whatever your result is today, you can change that. You have the opportunity and the power to design and to deliver and to drive what you want the value of your business to be, because it's not and it never will be static. It is and it always will be dynamic. Thanks, entrepreneur.